13 minutes after 5, another stop, and there is only one reason for that. Lake disappeared. It used to be a lake here, and at least last time I was walking here, maybe 2-3 years ago, it was a lake, and now you can see there is nothing left. No lake whatsoever. And we are still on our way through the Dewdney Trail, going that direction, maybe another 7.5 kilometers before we hit mark of 11, after which for some time it become a flat before another ascent towards the Snaz Mountain. But so far we're standing by the former lake. Short break, and in 10 seconds we have to keep going. See ya.